Well, hello there, everyone.
Hi.
It's Greg's Kitchen.
Yep.
Yes. And what are we making today?
Microwave peanut butter fudge.
Yes. And we can't believe we've been here 2.5 years and we've not shown you a recipe in this kitchen yet.
No.
But that changes today. All right, so I'm going to hand it over to Greg.
Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Sugar, vanilla, marshmallow cream, evaporated milk, butter, and candy chips. I'm using peanut butter chips for this recipe. All right, first we're going to start by mixing 1.5 sticks of melted butter in with 3 cups of sugar and 1 5-ounce can of evaporated milk. I'll mix this together in a large bowl because this will bubble up in the microwave. You don't want it to boil over. All right, and once we get that mixed, we will put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. All right, we take it out of the microwave. And we want to stir it real good, making sure to scrape down anything that might be stuck to the sides. This first time some of the sugar may try to settle to the bottom, so you want to get that nice and stirred in again. And back in the microwave for 2 more minutes. Now we take it back out of the microwave again, and we stir it again. I'm starting to pick up on a pattern here, folks. Stir and scrape down the sides. You can already see that the consistency is changing. And back into the microwave again for another 3 minutes. Alright, back out of the microwave again. And we stir again. See how much that's bubbling up? This bowl is really hot too, so you want to be very careful handling it. And back in the microwave one last time for 2.5 minutes. Alright, we're done with the microwave. And it's really bubbling. So now I'm going to add in our bag of candy chips. I'm using peanut butter for this recipe. Sprinkle some in and stir it in, a little at a time. The mixture is very hot, so they will melt very quickly. It'll start to get thick. You may need to hold on to the bowl a little bit. Alright, now we're going to mix in our 7-ounce container of marshmallow cream. This may take a bit to mix in because it's really thick. And a splash of vanilla. Make sure you get it completely mixed until there are no more white streaks. A little hard on your hand after a while. All right, once you've gotten it thoroughly mixed, you want to take a 9x13 pan, which I've already sprayed it with cooking spray. And this is the challenging part for me anyway, is pouring it into the bowl without burning your hand. without getting it everywhere. Need to set it down and scrape the last little bits out of the bowl, that's fine. And spread it out evenly in your pan. Alright, once you've gotten it all spread evenly, we just leave it to cool at room temperature for a couple of hours.
Later that same evening.
Alright, it's been a couple hours now, and let's see. Fudge is all firm and set up now. So now we can just cut it up into little squares. Take a good sharp knife.
All right, so this looks really good, Greg.
Yeah, here. Have a taste.
Don't get any in the cat's food bowl.
Yeah.
That is so heavenly. I love this fudge. So I love this fudge every holiday season when Greg makes it. It just is so good. I mean, look at how good this turned out. Absolutely awesome. It's so easy to make.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna have more fudge while you close out the video, Greg.
All right, well, thanks for watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. We love you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.